Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify online reputation management with reputation.com, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your online reputation management with reputation.com, start by visiting the website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up option. Fill in the required information, including your email and password. Check your email for a verification link and click to confirm your account. Log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to access your reputation overview. Locate the Verified Business section on the dashboard. Enter the name of your business and its location. Click on the search button to find your business listing. Review the search results to ensure your business appears correctly. If your business is listed, select it to proceed. If not, use the Add Business option to create a new listing. Follow the prompts to input your business details, ensuring accuracy. Once your business listing is verified, you can assess your online reviews. Access the Reviews tab to view current feedback from customers. Analyze the ratings and comments to understand customer perceptions. Use the feedback to identify areas for improvement. Explore the monitoring section to track any new reviews in real time. Set up alerts to notify you of new reviews or mentions of your business. Review the competitors feature to compare your online reputation against similar businesses. Leverage insights to enhance your reputation management strategy. Utilize the reporting tools to generate performance reports. Adjust your strategies based on the data you gather from these reports. Engage with your customers by responding to reviews directly through the platform. Monitor your online presence consistently for any changes. Make use of the educational resources available on reputation.com to further strengthen your online reputation. Implement any recommendations provided by the platform for better management. Ensure that your business maintains a positive online presence moving forward. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.